As a child, I didn't learn what it meant to burn until I burned. I discovered what the sea smelled like for the first time. I realized what it meant to find love and lose it. I discovered the happiness of something very big. And the little things. My love for chocolate and the pleasure of good wine. If everything in your life has been about learning and enjoying every experience, what prevents you to live a new one? What's stopping you from enjoying an exclusive freshwater cruise in company of yours and feel free, unique and special on this journey? For all sense, if you want to live a new exclusive and different experience, don't think, because you deserve it. Don't let them tell you. Tell it. Experiences in your micro paradise.